Bad milk.
Smell this.
I always smell.
Smell, Charlie.
Sorry.
You know what I will do with this?
Yeah.
I will just throw it to the sink.
I told you, why did you bring a lot of this?
You know what people say? People said they will bring this to shoot pistol.
Really?
Yeah, they will bring it, you know, that's why they give that much. They will put like to aim with a pistol.
Morning guys, so ayun, may papakita tayo ngayon sa inyo kung saan tayo na-assign. Ayan, ito yung lilinisan ko dito sa likod ko. Tapos tignan nyo ang haba na ng buhok ko. Tapos guys, ayan, yung view natin dito. Ayan yung view, ayan. Panghuling araw na natin dito guys at lilisanin na natin itong hotel na ito. Pumayat na nga talaga ako kasi dito guys, kaya pumayat ako. Minsan dalawang kain na lang kami in one day guys, kasi nga ayan, gigising ka, pagkakain, papasok ng alas 9 ng umaga, lalabas ng alas 5 ng hapon, 5:30. Yung time na gumagawa kami ng beds, minsan wala na kaming time. Ngayon nagkakaroon ako ng time kasi nga, ayan, pinaglalaanan ko ng time yung ganito kasi, ayan, pagka next na mga room, bibilisan na naman natin para makatch up natin yung time na sayang natin sa paggawa natin ng vlog. Kaya gumawa ko ng vlog kasi para papakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga ginagawa natin dito, kung ano yung mga nililinisan natin, ayun. Ako na isang room kasi nga gumagawa tayo ng video ngayon. Sa hindi nyo nakikita guys, may mga sugat-sugat ako dito. Ayan, sa kakagawa natin ng beds, to yung pag natin sa kama niya. Ito yung banyo dito. Ayan, CR, may sarili din siyang pintuan. Tapos yung bata ba, yung kunting punas dito. Tapos nilalagyan ko na to ng chemical kaganina. Punas na lang. Ayan, dyan. Tapos, ayun, maglagay ng mga tuwalya. Ayan, dyan. Isang tip to sa lahat ng mga mag-i-international student. Kung hindi kayo sanay sa mga bagay na mga gawaing bahay, so siguro huwag niyong kunin yung job offer na housekeeping. Kung may ibang job offer like sa restaurant, host, ayan kunin niyo kasi lahat ng mga J1 dito, natanong ko sila kung ano yung pinakamahirap. Sa kanila, nag-part-time sila dito, second job nila. Priority kasi yung first job. So, hindi ako makaalis sa housekeeping kasi priority to. Sa kanila, host. So, natanong ko sila kung ano yung pinakamahirap para sa kanila is housekeeping. Umalis sila sa housekeeping kasi ayaw nila ng ganito. Mahirap daw kasi. Ayan, so pressured sila dito kasi nga dapat catch up mo yung 30 minutes per room. Ayan lang, guys.
Hey!
This is your room.
Look at it, look. Yes.
Good. That's good.
Look how much stuff.
Bad milk.
Smell this.
I always smell.
Smell, Charlie.
Sorry.
You see, you didn't
You're crazy.
put in the fridge. What happened?
Look how many cooks do you have here?
Well, look, I drink only this. This all empty.
Yeah, I know.
Know what I will do with this?
Yeah.
I will just throw it to the thing.
I told you, why did you bring a lot of this?
You know what people say? People said they will bring this to shoot pistol.
Really?
Yeah, they will bring it. You know that's why they give that much. They will put like to aim with a pistol, a gun.
Yeah, but that's a lot. Like, how can you drink that all?
I was crazy.
Yeah, you're really crazy. You're really crazy. Now, clean your room.
Go clean your room, say Charlie. Charlie.
Alright guys, dito pala kami sa Walmart kasi nga bibili tayo ng mga pagkain.
Hey, you have?
Yeah.
You drink you?
No, I didn't drink it alone.
You have?
Maybe 6.
What type?
I don't know.
Oh, here
You
what?
want just buy it if you want.
Look. Tell
For
me
what?
which one you have. Which one?
Not here. Maybe no.
What color is it?
Maybe that was like a limited beer. Yeah, I saw it. Just a limited beer. If I will give you my beer, you will not buy. Crazy. I will just let you know.
Wow.
If there's a time. Dito tayo ngayon sa labas guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung harap ng hotel natin na pinagtatrabuhuan. Ayan siya, ayan. Napakalaki yan hanggang doon. Ayan yung building doon, parkingan lang yun. Yung nakikita nyo sa gilid ng hotel. Parkingan lang yun guys. Ayun. So ito yung hotel, yung main. Tapos yung casino nasa kabila, ayun doon. Tapos ito yung nasa harap, Hollywood.
I want everything I need. You and me don't need no prophecy. Just wanna have my girl around me and breathe the air from trees so green. Me and you and our machines. We don't do predictable things. We walk and talk and laugh and sing and eat our meals and tell stories. Content, not content. Content. Content, not content. Content. Look at me, I'm so serene. Wish I was somewhere fishing. It can be simple to see. Look at yourself and laugh with me. Content, not content. Content. Content, not content. Content. I want everything I
Ayun
need.
guys, sa buong pagpunta natin dito, ngayon lang tayo nakapaglakad-lakad mismo dito sa labas. Kadalasan kasi nagsasakyan na kami palabas guys. Ito yung parkingan dito. Ayan yung casino. Ito yung hotel natin. Ayan. Tapos ito yung parkingan. Parkingan lang yan siya guys. Ayan. Ang laki ng parkingan na yan. Ito yung hotel. Ito din, iba pa din yung parkingan nito kasi para sa concert to guys. Ayan. Na parkingan.
Not content.